Hey, man, we got a club car here with a Subaru engine. If y'all could, man, everybody hit that like button for me, man. Try and get some likes. All right, man, I wanted to show you. If you look at this here, you can see the maintenance and operate. And what it is, it allows you, when you put it in maintenance, it allows you to crank it up in neutral so you can adjust your throttle and work on it. But sometimes when you put it in maintenance, when you put it in neutral, the golf cart doesn't run. And what I'm gonna show you what the common problem with that is. Look up here, you got two rivets. You got one there and one there. Already pulled one out. So what you wanna do is take it, hold your finger over that so you don't lose it, and just pull out on it. And then what you wanna do to get it back in there is you wanna spread it apart. And just push. Let's see if I can show you. What you want to do is take it and spread it apart and then push your center back down. When you push your center back down, it allows you to take it and pop it back in there and then just push it back down. But what you want to do, man, if it doesn't crank up in neutral, if you want to take it, and if you look, probably look from the bottom here, is if you look at this here, this micro, you got a micro switch here, and if you listen, you can hear it clicking. So what it does when you put it in forward, that's reverse. It engages the micro switch. And when you put it in forward, it engages the micro switch. So in neutral, it don't engage it. So sometimes what you got to do is take your screwdriver, put it right here, and then take your finger or another screwdriver and just bend it where it allows it to disengage in neutral, and then that way you can crank it up in neutral in your maintenance mode. All right, man, I just wanted to show you a little trick on the maintenance switch. Hit that like button for me, fellas. Appreciate it.